Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we will focus on part C of this question. So for the first part, find the values of y when x equals to 1.9. So for this question, let's start to zoom in, okay? So when x equals to negative 1.9, we can see that the graph in my graph is about negative 4.5. Okay, so this is for C part 1, and therefore C part 1, when x equals to negative 1.9, my y is negative 4.5, around there. So let's take a look at what happens when my x is 3.3. So let me go over to the graph again. 3.3 will be here. Let me use another color. So this one will be 3.3. And my answer for my graph, it will be around negative 1.2. Okay, negative 1.2. Okay, so let me go back to the answer again. When x is equals to 3.3, my answer will be around negative 1.2. Alright, so the answer usually for such question is usually plus minus 0.2. Okay, plus minus 0.2. That's the accuracy that is demanded. And for C part 2, find the values of x when y equals to 3. So I'm going to go over to the graph again. When y equals to 3, we are looking at these 2 points. Y equals to 3, what is the graph? And what is the answer for x? So we would have, one is x is equals to 0, or x is equals to 2. So it's either 0 and 2. Okay, so that is for the first part of this C part 2. When y equals to 3, my x is equals to 0, or x equals to 2. And let me go over to the last part. Y equals to negative 7. So when y equals to negative 7, which is here, what will be my answer? And for my answer, let's have a look. Okay, when y equals to negative 3, I will get for my graph negative 2.3. This is for C part 2. And the other answer is .4 for my case. So let's go back to the answer. When y equals to negative 7, my x is equals to negative 2.3 or 4.4. Again, that's a plus minus 0.2 kind of accuracy. And the coordinates, the last one will be the coordinates of the maximum point. This one is pretty straightforward. The maximum point happens here. So C part 3, right? The answer is on top here. The maximum point, the coordinates will be 1 and 4. x is 1, y is 4. Okay, so I'm going to just write it down here. 1, 4. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. And thank you for watching and have a nice day.